Ever wondered how your smart home actually works? Let's explore the role of the central smart home hub. A smart home hub acts as the brain of your connected ecosystem, bringing all your devices together into one controllable network. Instead of managing dozens of individual apps, the hub centralizes control, allowing you to manage your entire home from one place. The hub connects to your router and creates a localized network, bridging the gap between your cloud services and physical hardware. Hubs speak multiple languages, including Wi-Fi, Zigbee, and Z-Wave, ensuring devices from different brands can talk to each other. By acting as a bridge, the hub allows a low-power sensor to communicate effectively with high-power internet-connected devices. The hub constantly monitors device status and relays instructions instantly, ensuring your commands are executed without delay. When you tap your phone, the command goes to the cloud and is immediately pushed down to your hub for processing. The hub translates your request into the specific protocol required by each smart appliance, whether it's a light, lock, or thermostat. With a hub, you can set up advanced routines that trigger automatically based on time, location, or sensor data. You can easily configure if this, then that triggers, such as locking doors automatically when your phone leaves the home zone. Create scenes that coordinate multiple devices at once. For example, a movie night setting that dims lights and lowers the blinds. By consolidating your devices, you transform a collection of gadgets into a cohesive, responsive smart home. Ultimately, a hub offers unmatched convenience, security, and energy efficiency for the modern connected household.